Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word watchdog. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The federal agency acts as a watchdog, ensuring that companies comply with safety regulations. A watchdog is a person or organization that monitors and oversees activities to detect any wrongdoing or ensure compliance with rules and regulations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.